Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do tree here on your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
Yes, tree from the short box series here on the spine corrector. I know, pretty weird place to do it, but also not. Once you feel, it's like, oh yeah, that's a cool place to do it. It's definitely going to require a lot of reach through your legs. It's going to really reveal what's going on in your body. And I put it in the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcard deck for the barrels on purpose because not everyone has access to a ladder barrel, and the ladder barrel is epic and amazing for teaching your short box series and for really helping you get more out of it on your reformer. But if you don't have access to that and you have access to a spine corrector, you can still find that articulation. You can still see where you're skipping or where you might be hanging off of your hip flexors. So typically you'll do that after twist and reach or around the world. So you'll want to come off of the apex and go back to where you were for the round, which is off of the apex but not in the crease, and standing in your legs. And you're going to bring one knee into your chest. You're going to straighten bit. Now I really have to use my left leg so much to help me from sliding on this barrel. I'm going to walk up, hands to the ankle, head to the knee, and I'm going to round back. Okay, so now the apex should be my lower back, and I'm going to walk down my leg, and I have to use my left leg so that I don't slide down the barrel. Now to come up, before I come up, I'm actually going to feel my body even on this spine corrector. Then I'm going to lift my head up and I'm going to round into myself. Try to leave my lower back behind, pull the head to the knee. Squaring my hips off because I can see and feel with the barrel, and then walk back down. The first one is always the scariest because kind of like right here. But if you're using your core, you're not going to fall backwards. And then head in, and then you crawl up from your arms to your back, head to the knee. And then one more time, round it back and articulate, and then squeezing my outer hips in and up. Woo! Amazing. So do the other side. And then from there, you can go into the side sit-ups. It's another video. It's another flashcard in our deck. Or you can go to your reformer and try it out there and see if learning how to articulate on this barrel teaches you how to move around that box. You're not hanging off of your lower back. If you have questions about this, feel free to put in the comments below. I love answering them. Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time when we go live here on this YouTube channel. If you are an OPC member, you can ask those questions in our members-only community, where I will also give you feedback on your form. It's a great thing to do because even though we're on demand, we can still give you some feedback on your form when you are a member OPC. So to check us out and see if you want to be a member, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.